If you're against the idea that faster is better, you won't be a good fit for the team. We'll get to that in a second. What would you do if you had a team of 100 software engineers, all hired within the last year, and they were failing to ship software effectively? They're all well paid, all engaged and motivated, all highly confident, coming from diverse backgrounds, many of them from Fang or Manga, whichever you prefer. It might be your dev process. It might be a lack of product direction. But there's a good chance it's a cultural problem, and it's your fault. 100 people coming from different places with different expectations about how to interact with each other, about how to get things done. It's like 100 musicians all playing beautifully, but in different keys, at different tempos. Don't say it's jazz. It's not. At this scale, 100 engineers, it's chaos. But we can fix it. Here's how. In my experience, personal values shape beliefs. Beliefs drive behavior. Behavior results in consequences. And consequences impact beliefs. To influence my team's culture, I instill principles, a set of shared beliefs that act as guideposts for the team's decisions and drive behavior. You should establish them early and expect them to evolve over time. For example, on my team, one of our principles was faster is better. We believed that speed wins. Speed when hiring new colleagues, speed in the user experience, speed in our dev process. If you're against the idea that faster is better, if you need all the data before making a decision, if you won't ship a feature until you know every last issue is resolved, you won't be a good fit for the team. That lack of cultural alignment means that we're operating with different ideas of the right way to do it. Scale that out to a team of 100 and you can see just how quickly chaos ensues. So what to do? Choose some principles to rally around. Document them. Consider them during interviews. Pin them in Slack. Introduce them during onboarding, constantly reiterate them, and use them to drive and settle debates. This is a really easy way to lead at your company. If you need some pointers on how to lead during the most difficult of times, then you're probably going to want to check out this video. Does your team have some established principles? I want to hear them. Drop them in the comments.